PEZ. This was a buy at the flea market. And rarely do I find PEZ at the flea market, but luckily I did. One really cool thing here, unfortunately, this Mexican, it is a 3-4 Hong Kong. One of the really hard ones to find. And he's missing his parts, but he does have his hat. And to make sure it is the appropriate hat, see those little nubs inside of there? Those little nubs are a molding thing that was only on the Mexican Hong Kong. So, that is really cool. IMC 7. Partial cheeks. Metal spring. That's a good find. Other things I have here. Another 3-9 Hong Kong IMC 7 Spider-Man. This one's footed. I haven't seen a footed one before. That one was really cool. Here's another IMC 7 3-9 Hong Kong. This is a fixed ears Pluto. I'm blown away by this fixed ears Pluto because I thought all of them had movable ears that were made at the IMC 7 factory for the 3-9 Hong Kong. Because when you look over here at Spider-Man, Spider-Man has the older style face, but it is the footed 3-9 Hong Kong. That's really cool. All right, I have a broken foot here, made in China, 3-9. This should be IMC 6, and it is. Garfield with the visor. I still don't understand the Garfield with the different hat combinations. That's, yeah. 3-9 Yugoslavia. This should be IMC 5, and it is. Here is Dr. Skull. Look at that with the two-tone. Apparently they printed out too many of the backside of the heads in one color, so they needed more faces, so they didn't match up the colors very well. So you can find these in two-tone. Some of them match up, but this one here's a two-tone. That's pretty cool. Here we have a Speedy Gonzalez. This is a very stiff hat. It is made in Yugoslavia. Where's the IMC here on this one? It is a very vague, really hard to see there in the corner, but it's there. Number 5, Yugoslavia, and that matches it. This is my favorite one of this lot, though, by far. Made in Austria, IMC 8. Someone removed the Donald Duck hat and put it on Scrooge, or took a Donald Duck and put some Scrooge feathers on it. Regardless, look at that. That's a cool looking duck. I like that one. That's a mean Donald right there. Extra sideburns. Or it's Scrooge in disguise. You decide. Leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. So until next time.